got some researchers waiting in the wings. We're going to start with my man Kai. Kai from the research team and Trades from the research team.
Yes. How are you doing, sir?
I am, sir. I'm well, sir. How are you?
I'm doing great. Yeah, so it's overall it's great earnings, right?
It's been a mixed bag of tricks, but to the positive side, yeah.
Yeah. Not bad, not bad.
That just means everything's been inside the expected move, or the percentages are playing out. There was no big outlier move that we got caught in.
Right.
Airbnb, this is post earnings, so is it already happening?
Yes, post earnings, because the overall implied volatility across the board is so low, and the VIX already dropped to 16 handles, so very close to the 1 year low. So the IVR close to zero. So I'm searching for. Now it's very difficult to find an RVR even over 15 or 20. So Airbnb post earnings, the IVR is very close to zero. Yesterday was 0.2%. Now it's 1 point whatever percent. So very low, and I think the price is kind of touching the lows too. So I'm a little bit bullish in Airbnb. So poor man's cover call is what I want to play. Long IV, low price. Let's see where it's going to go.
What do you think here, Sosnoff?
I'm not as bullish on Airbnb, Kai, only because it had a big down move yesterday.
Kai, he's lying to you. He's not as bullish because
it's not super bullish.
His wife was banned from Airbnb, and he's just showing solidarity with the family. For the first time, he's not going to go against the family. And that's why he's not making this trade. But go ahead.
First of all, she was technically not banned. It was self-inflicted.
That's what every person who's banned from Airbnb says. It was self-inflicted. Okay, it's not me, it's them.
No, she chose to boycott them.
Sure.
So I don't mind doing something in Airbnb, but I think I'm going to counterize something instead. I actually looked at a trade in there yesterday. I didn't do it, but I looked at selling the June 120 calls and buying the July 125s. It's a delta neutral trade.
Huh?
And
what do you mean 25?
What?
What do you mean 25?
Selling the Airbnb.
You're talking about delta?
No. Selling the June 120 calls, buying the July 125 calls.
Oh,
more delta neutral than what you have. You have 12 delta here. He'll be almost
sorry, I think I put the 100 call wrong. It's actually 110. So 110, 115. So it's actually
okay. Well,
it's not 100 that bullish. It's a 110 and 115. Yeah, it's a type.
Okay,
got it.
Okay,
got it.
It's actually 100, 115 is it could be a poor man's call, but it's a little more bullish than I want to be in there.
Right. 110, 115 is the one I try to choose.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
Slightly bullish, only 12 delta, so it's actually okay.
Yeah, I'm doing one that's like only 2 delta, but I'm going to do it. I put an order in right now.
Beautiful.
Very good.
All right,
cool.
Thanks, Kai.
We got Data, I believe, Dr. D, my man. And Dr. Data, you got to go on record here. I did not pay you anything for putting my option trades today. YouTube. I don't know why, but I'm on YouTube. I was like the Ocho channel for tastylive here, for touting us meaning me, in your publication. Did I?
Oh, that's not true at all. You paid me with gratitude. But no, there was no monetary compensation there. But I am open to it.
I was gonna say, but you accept Venmo, right?
Yes.
Well, what do you got? Are you gonna look at silver?
Yes. I do like me some poor man's gold, silver. I am doing a double strangle squared. So looking at the 22 and a half put, 24 call, and then both of those in June, and then in July doing the 21 and a half, just a little bit further out, and 26 call.
Double strangle.
Yes.
Double.
Doing this for, I think we could get it off for about $2, but I'm just because it's going to drop. It's about 15 points worth of delta. So
I haven't done one of these double strangles in a while. Mm-hmm. June 22, 24, right? And then July,
71 days out.
yeah, July 21 and a half, 26. What price do you have? What did I do? What did I do wrong?
So
here?
21 and a half, 22 and a half, 24, 26.
21 and a half, 26.
No, 22. 22 and a half. My
22 and a half, 24.
26.
Dad, how do you like my world?
I got it.
Everybody
I
wants
got it.
the
You
glory.
got to do month. You got to do the right month. 22 and a
Yeah,
half,
yeah.
24 in June. 21 and a half, 26 in July.
I think you said that, right?
Yeah, but I
don't
come
think
up
okay.
with mid price of 190.
Well, yeah. Because remember, it's the stock's going to go down today. We're going to open down quite a bit.
Yeah, stock's down 50 cents or so. Which
Yeah,
is
about 50 cents. So therefore,
So he's adjusting the credit,
Yeah.
Sosnoff. I mean, the man is 3 steps ahead of you. Catch up, get a mitt, get a ball, get a bat, get a glove, and get in the freaking game.
Yeah.
Or move over. Let somebody else play.
Oh,
If you're not going to come with everything, don't come.
I didn't realize he adjusted prices. We are moving on up.
see,
I like it. Okay. Why
Call
wouldn't
him
you?
doctor for nothing?
Can I ask a question? Why
Yes.
would you adjust the strikes rather than adjust the price?
well, I did adjust the
now he's going to
strikes.
give you a lesson.
I did adjust strikes, Tom. So
So listen up, Tom. Listen up, you stupid.
Okay, hold on. I want to just
look at.
I want to explain how
look at the
options.
slide.
Everybody from the CBOE is watching right now, Sosnoff, and I can tell you something. They're not very impressed.
I want
Look
to
at the
explain how
slide.
options
Look
work.
at the slide,
Either
not
you
your
adjust
platform,
price
because I
or you
think-
adjust strikes. You don't adjust price and strikes.
Look at the look at my slide, not your platform, because I think you might have done it all wrong. So yes,
Might have.
I see. I get it a little bit further out as you get further out at expiration. I mean, you don't have to, but I mean, it just kind of makes more sense that way, right?
If you type this in, these strikes in the way it is right here.
You get like 192, I think.
Right.
191.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so you adjusted the strikes then.
What? No, I adjusted the credit because it's. Did you have breakfast this morning, Tom?
Oh my God! You either adjust if the price comes up whatever it is, then
Yes.
it's fine. But then
Hey, Sosnoff, I want you to go take a break and come back, okay?
why didn't you just adjust the strikes? Is my point.
Yes. I'm just gonna yes. I did adjust the strikes, but I am also maybe it's me. Maybe it's we have Hawaiian brothers today. I'm really looking forward to it.
I'll get Anton in here to clean it up.
Oh gosh.
A little pineapple for the weekend.
All
A
right,
little
I
bit
put
of
it on.
pineapple. But then if you look at the deltas, right? It's long deltas, so therefore it's if you think okay, 20 deltas, I'm going to add an additional $10 worth of credit received, and so then I get to 201. I said it was rich at 205.
Okay.
But I'm just gonna because the spreads are going to be a little bit wide, and so I'm hoping that maybe I can get them off at 205, but I doubt it.
Okay, you got it. I put the order in.
Thank you, Tom.
Thank you, Zada.
I honestly don't want to see you go, Dada, but I guess you got to. We're gonna bring in Anton, my man Anton. He's got a special surprise for you, Sosnoff. You don't even know about it.
Anton, what's up?
Anton,
Your shirt is so fantastic. I don't know why everybody's getting on your case, Tom. How many times have we done this show and you've helped us adjust our strikes?
Oh, I gotta tell you something right now, Sosnoff. Anton didn't hit on the river. I can tell you that right now. He's being way too nice. He needs something.
He's
Probably
throwing around
can't.
compliments. I got to be careful. I got to watch my.
Watch your wallet, Sosnoff. This is gonna be costly.
I know. Don't trust me. I know.
So it's funny. The other day, Tom finally got some of that, gin money back.
Oh, I didn't know this.
Yeah. And by the way, Tony, this is $5, right? Brought the entire bet.
Oh, he told me about the $5. Daddy told me, but I thought there was more.
No. He's like, it's a giraffe. How many letters he got? Oh, you're never going to make it. He's literally sitting there taunting me. Oh, gosh. Okay. Tom, how about a City Iron Condor? This is Citigroup. I was thinking about Citi or Goldman Sachs, but Citi just had a little bit higher IV rank and a little bit lower price stock. So I thought do an Iron Condor in here, make a very, very small trade, short the 44 put, short the 49 call. And they're actually going to be long an unequal distance wings, simply because the wings are there aren't uniform strikes, but basically around the 10 delta for those long strikes. End up with a credit of about $120 and $380 in buying power.
You got it. I already entered it. I like it.
Wow, wow. Sounds a special treat for you because I know, I mean, if you have one Anton, that's amazing. But if you had two Antons, he's got a second trait for you. He's an overperformer. See, he's not like Kai putting the wrong strike up there or Mike, trying to explain how to trade to you. This man comes with two actionable trades for you. And Sosnoff, I just talked to the production team. We're thinking about having a full hour of Dr. Data explaining how to trade options and stocks with just you, Sosnoff. We think it'll be beneficial to not just you, of course, but to the audience.
Just for future reference, either you adjust strikes or you adjust strikes.
I don't think so, Saz. I don't think so. I'm gonna go with the good doctor here. All right, okay. Anton, I don't want to steal your thunder. You're an overperformer. You got two trades. Give it to me, baby.
All right, Tom. How about this one? A gold reverse shade lizard. That's right. So gold's been on a tear. Obviously, silver's down, but gold isn't. So thinking of doing something like a strangle in gold, but cap the downside risk, especially because there isn't any put skew in gold. It's all call skew. So we're going to leave the call naked. We're going to buy the wing to the put side. So, gold follows silver. We're going to, cap the risk on that side. $3.10 in credit, meaning there's only upside risk because the credit is larger than the width of the put spread. So it's a slightly bearish play because you don't lose any money on the downside. And you still get the whole premium if this gold stays between 185 and 195 by June.
I like it. Let me see what my gold position is right now. GLD. Yeah, we could use a little shorts in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's GLD doing this morning pre-market? About unchanged? Yeah.
Well, gold's basically unchanged, up 70 cents. So yeah, it's going to be.
All right. I like it, Mr. Anton.
Beautiful,
Anton. Good job out of you. Nice work. We're going to go to, finish strong. Julia, what's up?
Hey guys, how's it going?
Great. After two Anton trades, there's nothing more refreshing than bringing in Julia. Julia, how are you?
After two Anton trades, I have a trade that Tom won't do. This is going to be fun.
I was going to say.
Well, you know what though, Julia? Take some time and explain it to him because he's a little bit.
After two Anton trades, Julia cannot control her excitement.
I know. I've just
and now
glowing. I wish I had gotten some compliments out of that, but that's wishful thinking. Anyway, so I have an IWM Iron Condor. I kind of always like to have a position with a market ETF in it. I actually just closed my ES position, so I guess market index, futures option, whatever. So today I wanted to redo that position with IWM because its IVR is a bit higher than SPY. It's actually down a bit pre-market too. But because the IVR is still low overall, it's less than 20, it's actually less than 15, I decided to go with something defined risk. So I'm going with an Iron Condor. So that's the 154, 160 put spread, and then the 184, 188 call spread. Collects over $1 in credit for under $500 in buying power. It's down pre-market a little bit. So that seemed like the move. Pops about 66%, which is good for me.
Sosnoff, say something nice, then say something mean.
He's going to say something nice, and then he's going to say something honest.
That's right. I don't ever say anything mean.
Nah, it's never mean.
No,
never yells.
It's to me. Wait a minute. You've exceeded your usefulness? Oh, that was being honest.
Was I talking about you?
Yeah.
Yeah, then I was being honest.
Nothing wakes you up in the morning like honesty.
Nothing like a big slap in the face of honesty. This is correct.
Right.
Sosnoff, are you adjusting strikes here or price? Or both?
I didn't
If you adjust both strikes and price here, then you would be validating my buddy.
Well, it looks like this stock is down, what, about almost $2, right?
Almost $2 pre-market, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna just adjust a little bit.
The fact that he's putting it in at all for me is a win.
That's right.
This is true too.
The win.
You got it, Julia. It's in. It's working. I just
double win.
Like $2 because of the $2 move this morning.
Nice. Cool. That's all I got.